Welcome back to our final module. Congratulations, you've mastered the fundamentals of budgeting, learned to use AI safely and effectively, and developed critical thinking skills for evaluating financial recommendations. AI-assisted budgeting is an excellent starting point, but as your financial situation becomes more complicated or your goals more ambitious, you'll want to explore other tools and seek professional advice. In this final module, I'm going to show you what those next steps might look like and how to continue building your financial knowledge. How do you know when you've outgrown AI-assisted budgeting? Well, here are some key signs to think about. First, you're consistently following your budget and you want more automation. Perhaps manually uploading statements every few months feels inefficient. Second, your financial situation is getting more complicated. Maybe you're starting a business, have multiple income streams, or significant financial goals. Third, you want features that AI can't currently provide, like real-time bank integration or specialized planning tools. Think of it as a natural progression. AI budgeting teaches you the fundamentals and helps you develop good habits. But it's like learning to drive in a car park. Eventually, you want to get on the real roads. More sophisticated tools and professional services are those. More powerful, but requiring the foundation skills you've just learned still. General AI has served us well, but it has limitations for advanced financial management. It typically can't automatically sync with your bank account in real time. It can't provide regulated financial advice for major decisions, and it doesn't integrate with specialized services like mortgage providers or pension schemes. This isn't a failure, they're just outside general purpose AI's current scope, which is why other tools exist to fill these gaps. Let's start with what you might already have access to: an online banking app. Many banks offer increasingly sophisticated budgeting features. Look for automatic categorization, spending insights, savings goals, and round up features. Your bank already has your transaction data, so there are no privacy concerns about uploading statements into a third-party application. You might be surprised by what's already available to you. For dedicated budgeting, there are several well-known apps that get good reviews. YNAB or YNAB is excellent for zero-based budgeting if you want to plan every pound. Emma offers bank account aggregation and spending insights. PocketGuard provides simple, effective budgeting. Each has different strengths, so it's worth exploring which approach might suit your style, although be warned that most only have a limited free trial before there is a subscription payment. As your financial situation becomes more complicated, you'll probably want to consider professional guidance. This usually becomes especially valuable during major life transitions. Things like buying property, planning for retirement, marriage, or starting a business. Professional advice is also helpful when you need regulated guidance, particularly on topics like mortgage, investments, or tax. When considering this route, ask your friends and family for their recommendations from the professionals that they trust. Personal referrals are often a good starting point. And one of the most valuable things you can do is to continue building your financial knowledge. Read reputable personal finance books, listen to educational podcasts, and explore what free online courses are available. And check government finance guidance websites. Learning from others' experiences is also invaluable. Everyone's financial journey is different, but there are common lessons that can help guide your decisions. We'll provide a list to get you started in the downloads. Here on the Isle of Man, we do have several local resources worth exploring. There are various government financial guidance documents available online that can help with understand local regulations and opportunities. Banks often provide educational resources and workshops. Manx Citizens Advice offers free guidance on financial matters. And don't overlook your local library. Many have excellent financial literacy materials and resources. Remember, personal finance is called personal for a reason. There is no one-size-fits-all solution. The AI budgeting skills you've been learning here will serve you well, regardless of which tools you eventually use. If you understand your spending patterns, know how to evaluate financial advice critically, and gain the confidence to take control of your financial future. We hope this course has given you a strong foundation, but it is just the beginning. Keep learning, keep questioning, and keep adapting your approach as your life evolves. Most importantly, remember that the best financial plan is the one you actually follow. Whether that's easier for you to continue with AI-assisted budgeting, starting to explore specialised apps or services, or seeking professional advice, choose what works for you and your situation and stick with it. Thank you for joining me on this journey. You now have tools to use AI safely and effectively for budgeting, knowledge to think critically about financial advice, and confidence to take the next steps in your financial journey. Here's to your continued financial success. May your budgets be balanced and your futures be bright.